People always ask, you know, what do you do? What's your studio look like? How much space do you have? So let's take a little tour around my little studio here at home. Here's some of my space. Here's a brand new large watercolor I just painted of Cambria in Central Coast of California. It's a sacred spot. Also, that's a half sheet of Arches watercolor paper. This is my space. I'm using Windsor professional watercolors, Windsor Newton. These are my little inspirations, things that keep me motivated, special mementos, and just kind of things about Native culture that I like. So I hope you enjoy this little tour. It's not much, but it's what I call home, and it's where I do my work. Thank you.